Welcome back, skaters! In today's warm-up, we're going to focus on improving your flow, edge quality, and transitions by combining three turns and mohawks with smooth connecting movements. These patterns will help you develop better control on curves, stronger upper body coordination, and cleaner transitions between edges. Take your time as we break everything down step by step, and remember, focus on staying centered, keeping your hips aligned, and maintaining a steady rhythm throughout the exercise. Let's get started. Our first exercise will be forward outside three turn with a side toe hop and a three-step outside mohawk. Start by gliding on a left forward outside edge, creating a half circle. At the top of the circle, execute the three turn, exiting on a left backward inside edge. Continue gliding backward toward the axis. On the axis, perform a side toe hop from the right foot to the left foot. Then push into the second half circle with a right forward outside to left backward outside mohawk. Cross in front onto the right backward inside edge. From there, start the sequence again at the axis. During this exercise, focus on strong extension of the free leg, reaching back fully before the side toe hop. Repeat the sequence on the right foot, making sure your pattern stays in clean half circles. Start with a right forward outside three turn on the first half circle. At the axis, perform the side toe hop from left to right, then continue into the second half circle with the left forward outside to right backward outside, three-step mohawk, crossing in front after the mohawk, and gliding on a left backward inside edge. To make sure you master your three turns, hops, and mohawks before working on this combination, sign up for my Figure Skating Foundations video course on my website styleskating.com. This course will guide you step by step with detailed instructions from your very first steps on the ice to advanced skating skills, single jumps, and basic spins. After completing the course, you will become a more balanced, confident skater and will enjoy putting all the steps and turns together into exciting combinations with ease and control. Click the link above or check the description below for more information and sign up today. Our second exercise will include a forward inside three turn, a Mazurka jump, a forward inside three-step mohawk, and a forward crossover. Start on the right foot with a right forward inside edge. At the top of the circle, execute the three turn, exiting on a right backward outside edge. Reach back with your free leg and at the axis perform the Mazurka jump from the left toe to the right toe. Immediately push into the second circle on the left forward inside edge, then execute the left forward inside to right backward inside mohawk, exiting onto a left backward outside edge with the push. Finish the sequence by stepping forward into a crossover, right forward outside to left forward inside. Repeat the same exercise on the opposite foot. Start with the left forward inside three turn, then perform the Mazurka jump on the axis from the right toe to the left toe, stepping into the right forward inside edge after that, and continue with a forward to backward inside mohawk, gliding on the left backward inside edge after mohawk, finishing with the push on the right backward outside edge, and complete the sequence with a forward crossover, left forward outside to right forward inside. Make sure that on the first half of circle you glide on a deep inside edge and execute the three turn at the top of the circle. The Mazurka jump happens on the axis and the three-step mohawk plus the forward crossover belong to the second circle. As you perform your three-step mohawk, finish it at the top of the circle, then step directly into the forward crossover to complete that half circle. You can find more helpful videos and tutorials for beginner skaters by clicking the link above or looking in the description below. Our third exercise will include a backward outside 3-turn, a counter hop, and a 3-step forward inside Mohawk. Start on the right backward outside edge, creating a half circle. At the top of the circle, execute the 3-turn, exiting and gliding back toward the axis on the right forward inside edge. On the axis, perform the hop from the right inside edge, turning to the right in the air and landing through the left toe, then push with a cross in front into a right backward inside edge, beginning a new circle. After the hop, make sure you check your upper body and shoulders toward the axis. Immediately after that, perform the left forward inside to right backward inside Mohawk, pushing out onto the left backward outside edge to finish the second half circle. Start the sequence again from the right backward outside edge. Repeat the exercise on the opposite foot. Start on the left backward outside 3-turn on the first half circle. At the top of the circle, execute the 3-turn and continue to the axis on the left forward inside edge. On the axis, perform the counter hop from the left forward inside edge, turning to the left, landing through the right toe, then continue on the left backward inside edge with cross in front. On the second half circle, execute the right forward inside to left backward inside Mohawk, pushing out onto a right backward outside edge to finish the circle. Return to the axis and begin the sequence again. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, remember to press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can email me directly with your questions and even request a personalized video of your choice. Click the link above or check the description below and join today. Exercise number 4 will include a backward inside 3-turn, a waltz jump hop, and 3-step forward outside Mohawk and a 2-foot transition. Start with the backward crossover from the right backward outside to left backward inside edge. Then execute left backward inside 3-turn at the top of the circle, exiting on the left forward outside edge. Immediately after, perform a waltz jump from the left foot to the right foot, and as you land, cross in front with your left foot to glide on the left backward inside edge toward the axis. Push into the next circle and enter right forward outside to left backward outside Mohawk, crossing in front with the right backward inside edge. Return to the axis, step into the left backward inside edge for the 2-foot transition and start the sequence again. Repeat the exercise on the opposite foot. Start with a backward crossover from the left backward outside to right backward inside edge. At the top of the circle, execute a right backward inside 3-turn, exiting onto the right forward outside edge. On the axis, perform a hop from the right foot to the left, turning to the right, crossing in front with the right backward inside edge, and begin a new circle with push into a left forward outside to right backward outside Mohawk, crossing in front with the left backward inside edge, and step onto the axis with a right backward inside edge 2-foot transition, starting the sequence from beginning. By practicing these combinations of the 3 turns, Mohawks, hops, and transitions, you are building better edges, balance, and control on the ice. Remember to focus on patterns, turn placements, and strong extension with every movement. Keep practicing both sides, stay patient with your progress, and most importantly, enjoy your time on the ice. Thank you for joining me today, and I see you next time.